Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called MyScheme.gov.in. Here you can find all the government schemes in one single portal. You can find various schemes by categories. You can find it by different states and union territories, or you can find it by various ministries. So it also has intelligent search engine using which it will match you and show you what is relevant for you. So you can come here, you can say your gender, and you can put in the age, and you can say next. You can select state, let's say Kerala, urban. um, I will choose OBC for the time being. Are you a differently abled user? No. Are you belong to poverty minority? No. Are you a student? Yes. No. Okay, so let me submit it. So now you see various program that is relevant for me is being shown here, which is applicable for the students. If I change that from there, instead of student, then I'll say employed. Are you employed as a government employee? No. So in that case, it will show me everything that is relevant to me for an employed person. One ration, one ration card, Pravasi Bharatiya Bima Yojana, modernizing implementation of post office monthly scheme, Swachh Bharat mission. Various missions are shown here. Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana, Pariyojana. So if you see this scheme here, you can get medicine at a nominal cost, and it is showing you how you can set up a Jan Aushadhi store using that Pradhan Mantri Bharati Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana, and what is the normal incentive you will get. One has an enhanced from existing from 2,50,000 to 5 lakh. So this is the scheme. Who is eligible is mentioned there. So various other Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana, which offers Ministry of Finance offering life insurance cover, which offers a renewable 1-year term life cover of 2 lakh to all subscribing bank holders in the age group of 18 to 50, covering death due to any reason for a premium of 330 rupees per annum per subscriber. In this we can see various other applicable welfare schemes. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.